Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So we meet again for the second part of this lecture, and today we are going to look at the reply of an inquiry letter. Now this is not yet a procurement letter. As I mentioned to you, the first half of this semester we will be looking at routine business letters, and there are two types, that is writing an inquiry letter and writing a procurement letter. However, when it comes to writing an inquiry letter, there are two types of letters that you need to learn. The first one, writing the inquiry letter itself, and writing the reply of an inquiry letter. However, the second letter that you need to learn for a routine business is a procurement letter, right? So now we are going to look at, we are still under, it is we are still looking at the first type of letter, that is an inquiry letter. But this week we are looking at the reply of an inquiry letter. Okay, I think I have explained about this. I should have shown this while explaining, but I'm sorry. Okay. Now, reply of an inquiry letter, the content, all right, should consist of the following: acknowledging receipt of an inquiry or request. So here are a few phrases that you can actually use, like "Thank you for your letter," "I refer to your inquiry," or "I have received your letter of," okay, or explaining action taken as a consequence of the inquiry, like "I have reviewed our available stock," or "We held a meeting on 21st January to discuss possible solutions," or "I've checked, looked into, or investigated," so on and so forth. Also, in your content, you should be making suggestions or justifying recommendations or pointing out pros and cons, hedging. Yeah. The best choice would be, I highly recommend, perhaps you should choose, I suggest that, I recommend this. Because you have to notice that when someone writes you an inquiry letter, they may not know about the products, they may not know about the service, they may not know about the items, the goods, and they want, and as the producer of the goods and the products, you may want to explain to them the advantages, what are they going to get when they use the products, etc. That also helps you to boost your sales, and also is part of the marketing strategy. And also you may want to include apology if, let's say, you cannot fulfill the inquiry. Okay, so here are a few suggested phrases that you can actually use. You can also stipulate action requested or to be taken. Yeah. And of course, the last part, the closing, should consist of uh, sentences of goodwill and suggesting contact. Yeah, because maybe you want that, because I'm pretty sure after that letter correspondence, it will be telephone correspondence between you and the officer in charge in that company. So here are some of the samples that you can look at. There's this one follow-up activity that I would like you to do online, as well as another letter that you can write with your friend, or you can just write on your own. That will be all. Thank you.